Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I have another package here. So this package here is from Evershine. This is a 40 by 50 that I ordered 3 months ago. So first of all, month 1. It took about, I'm gonna say 3 weeks for them to send this out. I ordered it beginning of March. So like with the state of things in the world, I get that, right? But okay, so anyway, 3 weeks to send it out. They kept saying to me it was coming, it was coming. So then a month in transit. So 2 months now we're talking to get to Canada. May 9th, I check my tracking update and I see that my package has arrived in Richmond, BC and has been handed over to customs for further processing. May 9th. June 9th. It was still there. So it sat in customs for a month. Yeah, I get it, but I've had other things come since then. Well, this one just sat there. I actually have another one that was sitting in customs with this one that was released at the same time. I don't know, they weren't connected or anything, maybe just in the same batch. But anyway, so yeah, it sat in customs for a month before I actually got it. So when it was released, Canada Post had it to me within 2 days. So anyway, it is what it is. This is an Evershine. I wanted to try this company. I'd heard good things about them, heard they're related to Heucam. I did a little AZ QST and I was really happy with it. So I thought I'll give this a shot. But anyway, let's get into it and see what's here. So it did come in a box, which is nice. I was kind of thinking when I saw that it was actually making its way to me, I was thinking, oh my gosh, this is going to arrive flatter than a pancake. And actually, it didn't fare that badly. So we'll take a peek and see. Tiny little bit of a dent in the box up here. So that's pretty good. Came in a box. It's a little different than the Heucam boxes, I guess. But, ooh, it was wet inside there. You know, there's the box, a little squished, but what do you do, right? Let's take a peek inside. Oh, all right, so what I have inside there, you can see the canvas. See if I can get it up there for you. Boop, 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 boop. Canvas and drills. Let's take our canvas out. It's a nice canvas. Oh, it doesn't have the Heucam paper on it. I thought it would. And the drills must be up inside here. Alright, there's our drills. So it looks like they were packed kind of like in behind there. So, okay. And typical toolkit, I got a small boat, white boat with a funnel, white pen. It looks like there's a 10 placer and the thin 4 placer, Play-Doh wax, and the, oh, I haven't seen those tweezers before. Take a peek at these. These are the cheaper tweezers, but they're not bent. They're straight. They're pretty flimsy tweezers though. There are no bags or anything in there. So there's our kit. All right, let's take a peek here. I'm gonna get into this canvas to start with. I'm just gonna adjust my camera angle here because I feel like I'm really high. My kitty is sitting right there on the corner. I think she's trying to get up on the windowsill. Okay. Anyway, there is my little picture. I called it a book town. So I think it's cute anyway. I'm just going to put it in my hallway. Let's get this opened. Hi Jade. You watching? Brother's in the windowsill and you like the windowsill. And you're upset because Brother's in the windowsill and you're not. Looks like a Heucam canvas. It's got the tape on it and it just has the different backing on it. Let's get this opened up here. I don't like this tape. It's like gross. Okay. Stinky. All right. Just gonna open this up here. Oh, the back looks really nice. The canvas looks very nice actually. I'm quite surprised. Move on a foam roller. Let's see if we can get this straightened out here. Just throw some stuff over. You know, the AZQSD that I did was like this as well, where it was printed sideways. Like, the picture isn't a portrait, but like, it's printed in a landscape. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna do this slowly because I always seem to manage to screw this up. Oh, it's in smaller pieces this time. Oh, I like the colors. Very nice. 2. This is very similar to the AZQSD I just finished. Very similar in feel and yeah. Pretty. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's really nice. Look how nice and clear that is. Oh, I'm happy. The glue looks really nice on there. There's quite a bit of overlap in the glue. You can see that there. There's quite a bit of overlap. Let's get these down. I did get a message from them saying that they are having a hard time with getting their own supplies in. So maybe that's why the adhesive on this one is different than I was expecting it to be. They said that's kind of what's delaying a lot of their shipments, is a lack of supplies. This is pretty. There's a lot of color blocking on it, which is going to be nice because the one that I'm working on right now is very, very much a confetti piece, my Dumbo, which I'm almost done. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. There's a lot of like excess canvas. Like the canvas is really big. I want to check the size of the actual painting here because I kind of have a feeling you might be off, but let's see. Here we go. So I'm going to turn this here. See that? There we go. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. It's going to be really cute when it's done. It's, yeah. Very nice. I'm happy with that canvas. That's very nice. Definitely worth the 3-month wait. Okay, let's take a peek at size here. So this is supposed to be a 40 by 50. Okay, let's take a peek here and see. If I can get my tape measure straightened out. Okay, so this is supposed to be a 40 by 50. And we are like right at 39 here. So a little short that way. And, oh, there we go. 48 this way. So it's like a 39 by 48. So a little off, not too bad. I guess the only thing is I'll have to remember that when I'm framing it. So just want to take a quick peek at the drill field here with you guys. Looks nice and clear. Let's take a peek. I'm gonna get close enough there. Yeah. Looks nice and clear. Actually, it goes this way again. Whoops. That's a good way to work a picture, Colleen. Okay. Let's open up this side. You can tell the drill, like the symbols go this way. They go the long way, but the picture is actually an up and down picture, but whatever, it is what it is. So. Okay, let's take a peek at our drills. Just gonna fix this quick. Okay. So there is no inventory sheet, which kind of sucks, but there is this here on the side. Let's zoom in a little bit here so we can see that. Just gonna zoom in a bit. There we go. Okay, so I'll have to do an inventory on this one, I believe, but So it doesn't tell you how many bags that you're supposed to have. It just tells you what the total number of drills is. So, let's see. There's no real like primary color in here. 1,500 of that, of the 321 there. And I think, yeah, oh wait, there's 2,000 of the 939s. There's 2,000 of those, so it's going to be quite a bit. But it looks like our gels are packaged by weight here. So let's zoom back out here. There we go. They're in the Ziploc bags. Get another thing here. Oh my goodness, look at that color there. That's crazy. I've never seen a color like that before. Look at that one. Wow, it's almost like neon yellow. That's crazy. That's 3819. I don't think I've ever seen that color. There's another one there. That one's like neon pink. If you can see that in the light or not. What number is this one? 3607. Let's see if we can find, oh, here's those 939s. It's a big, wow. They're packaged, yeah, I like the Huacán ones with the, looks like it's got the number and then the weight, maybe, not sure. But I think the only way I'm gonna do inventory on this is to go through, looks like I have 45 colors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go through my inventory and just let you know if I have everything here. Just a second. All right, so I just did a quick inventory here. There's 45 colors in this painting, which I think is really neat because AliExpress has kind of started, I don't think I've had one with 45. I think that the highest I've had is 40 or 42. So this is nice. All of our colors are here. The one thing I'm really looking forward to about this is there is like, it's like a rainbow. It's, you know, like the one I'm working on right now is all peaches and blues. And the one before that I did was all like greens and blues. But this one's gonna be like a real treat to do because it's like every color. Like there's oranges and there's greens and there's purples and there's blues and there's yellows and there's browns and there's, oh wow. Anyway, so some really cool colors here, guys. There's this one here, like I showed you, that neon pink. What other one? There's like these really neon, there's a tiny little bit of that one, but there's like neon pink there. There's like these crazy bright greens, and yeah, wow. Oh, this purple. I like this purple here. 313. I'm gonna keep an eye out for that one. I really like that color. Anyway, so yeah. Guys, there we go. That is my Evershine. I'm excited to start this one. I've got a couple to do before I do this one, but yeah, 3 months. It was mostly can't blame Canada Post, can't blame AliExpress. It's mostly customs. But anyway, there we go. That's it. So I'm pretty happy. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.